The announcement that America has gifted fighter jets to England marks a significant and symbolic moment in the long-standing military partnership between the two nations. This move is being widely viewed not just as a transfer of advanced hardware, but as a reaffirmation of trust, shared values, and strategic alignment in an increasingly uncertain global security environment. For decades, the United States and the United Kingdom have maintained one of the closest defense relationships in the world. From joint operations and intelligence sharing to coordinated military training, the alliance has often been described as special. The gifting of fighter jets adds a new and practical dimension to this relationship, strengthening England's air capabilities while underscoring America's commitment to European security. From a military perspective, the arrival of these fighter jets is expected to enhance operational readiness and deterrence. Modern fighter aircraft are not merely tools of combat. They're platforms that integrate advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and interoperability with allied forces. This means England's Air Force will be better equipped to participate in joint missions, respond to emerging threats, and contribute to collective defense frameworks such as NATO. Politically, the decision sends a clear message to both allies and adversaries. It signals unity at a time when geopolitical tensions, shifting power balances, and regional conflicts continue to challenge international stability. By supporting England in this way, America reinforces the idea that long-standing alliances remain a cornerstone of its foreign and defense policy. For England, accepting the jets reflects confidence in the alliance and a willingness to invest in shared security responsibilities. There are also economic and industrial implications to consider. Defense cooperation often goes beyond the simple transfer of equipment. It can lead to joint maintenance programs, training exchanges, and technology sharing, all of which can benefit local industries and create skilled jobs. Over time, such cooperation can deepen defense integration and encourage further collaborative projects between American and British defense sectors. However, the move is not without debate. Critics may question the costs associated with operating and maintaining advanced fighter jets, or raise concerns about escalating militarization. Others may argue that diplomatic solutions should take precedence over military enhancements. These discussions are a natural part of any major defense decision and highlight the need for transparency and clear communication with the public. Overall, America's gifting of fighter jets to England represents more than a military upgrade. It is a strategic gesture that reflects shared history, mutual trust, and a common vision for security in a complex world. As global challenges evolve, such actions demonstrate how enduring alliances adapt and respond, turning cooperation into concrete capability while reinforcing the bonds that have shaped transatlantic relations for generations. The impact of this development will likely be felt beyond the immediate military sphere. In diplomatic terms, the transfer of fighter jets strengthens America's influence within Europe while reaffirming England's role as a key security partner. At a time when alliances are being tested by global uncertainty, such actions help maintain balance and reassure allies that collective defense commitments are more than just words. Strategically, the enhanced air capability allows England to play a more flexible role in regional and international missions. Whether for air policing, rapid response operations, or joint exercises, the new jets expand the range of options available to military planners. This flexibility is crucial in modern warfare, where threats can emerge quickly and from multiple directions, including cyber, air, and hybrid domains. The move also highlights the growing importance of interoperability among allied forces. Modern fighter jets are designed to operate seamlessly with allied command systems, surveillance networks, and support aircraft. This ensures that American and British forces can act as a single, coordinated unit when required, reducing response times and increasing mission effectiveness. Such integration is a cornerstone of contemporary defense strategy. Public perception will play an important role in shaping the long-term narrative around this decision. For supporters, the gift represents security, preparedness, and a strong alliance. For skeptics, it may raise questions about priorities and the balance between defense spending and domestic needs. How governments address these concerns through open dialogue and clear justification will influence public trust and acceptance. In the broader global context, America's decision may encourage other allies to strengthen their own defense ties or modernize their military capabilities. It sets a precedent that long-standing partnerships can translate into tangible support, especially when shared interests and security challenges are at stake. In conclusion, this new chapter in the America-England military alliance goes beyond the delivery of fighter jets. It reflects a shared understanding of modern security challenges and a commitment to facing them together. As the international land